This is Gurdeep from Astron Lifesciences. At Astron, we believe that knowing is not enough. We must implement. And willing is not enough. We must do. For the same reason, we proudly present here the Knowledge Bank series, which is actually the knowledge in action. In the following presentations on cardiac auscultations, we'll be discussing various aspects along with the examples of cardiac auscultations. We at Team Astron believe that this will be a very useful and knowledgeable experience. All the best from all of us here. Thank you.